Land Rover has just raised the bar in China with the debut of the new Defender OCTA, and it is nothing short of a monster. This is not just an upgraded Defender, it is the most powerful, most capable, and most luxurious version to date. Under the hood, it is packing a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 mild hybrid engine. The power? A jaw-dropping 635 horsepower and up to 800 newton-meters of torque with overboost. That means 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 4 seconds and a top speed of approximately 249 kilometers per hour with the 22-inch wheels. Off-road credentials are equally impressive. Ground clearance has been raised to 323 millimeters, giving it better approach and departure angles, 40.2 and 42.8 degrees respectively. It rolls on 33-inch all-terrain tires with a 68mm wider track for improved grip and balance. The suspension system is all new, featuring Land Rover's 6D Dynamics tech and dual-valve air suspension for a truly controlled ride over any terrain. Visually, the OCTA stands out with dark gold accents, chopped carbon fiber trim, quad exhaust tips, and a distinctive octagonal badge. Inside, you are treated to body and soul performance seats with built-in haptic feedback, semi-aniline leather, and customizable interior soundscapes created in partnership with Meridian Audio. China is the launch pad for this flagship Defender, and Land Rover is sweetening the deal. Early buyers in China will receive a 120,000 yuan customization voucher, a 99,980 yuan off-road trip to Namibia, and a 20,000 yuan referral reward. Pricing starts at about 1.46 million yuan, aimed squarely at buyers looking for something beyond the ordinary. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more updates on cutting-edge automotive launches like this.